this morning I had approached the Chief Election Officer at Altino and presented to him a memorandum stating that I am a 7-time sitting corporator and ex-mayor of the Corporation City of Panjim with vast experience in CCP election and assembly elections. It has come to light that 28 out of 30 BLOs, block level officers, have been transferred without giving any reason. This act is unprecedented and unheard of. I have written to CEO today, 13/6/2025. I call upon the CEO to cancel, resign and withdraw the said order transferring 28 out of 30 BLOs. I call upon the CEO to do the needful, as the electoral process must have sanctity and must not be doubted. If the CEO does not act, I will explore the possibility of approaching or moving the High Court.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.